So we want to resolve this particular problem. We have square root of 2 all over 5 minus 2 root 6 minus the square root of 2 over 5 plus 2 root 6. So for us to resolve this issue, we'll first of all look at what we'll do in order to remove this square root in the denominator. So for us to eliminate the square root, we'll rationalize the both. So rationalizing, so we rationalize by multiplying by the conjugate of the denominator. So we have square root of 2 over 5 minus 2 root 2, 2 root 6 times 5 plus 2 root 6 all over 5 plus 2 root 6 minus this one, the square root of 2 all over 5 plus 2 root 6 times 5 minus 2 root 6 all over 5 minus 2 root 6. So multiplying through with this, so from here we'll then be having square root of these two multiplying this. We have 2 times 5 plus 2 root 6 all over 5 times 5 is 25. 5 times 2 root 6 is 10 root 6. And minus 2 root 6 will give us minus 10 root 6. Minus 2 root 6 plus minus 2 root 6. We have minus 4 times 6. So this one is square root. Minus square root of, so we'll be resolving this one as well. We have 2 times 5 minus 2 root 6 all over 5 times 5 is 25. 5 times minus 2 root 6 is minus 10 root 6. And minus 2 times this is plus 10 root 6. And this times this is 4. Minus 4 times 6. So resolving this, these two open up this bracket. We have 2 times 5 as 10, and 2 times 2 we have plus 4 root 6 all over this 25, and this minus 4. So 10 root 6 minus 10 root 6 is out, so this is out. We have 25 minus 4 times 6 is 24 minus, so resolving this one as well, 2 times 5 is 10 minus 2 times 2 here is 4 root 6 all over, this will cancel out this, we have 25 minus 4 times 6 is 24. So from here this will now become this is 10 plus 4 root 6 all over 25 minus 24 is 1 minus square root of 10 minus 4 root 6. (25 minus 24 is 1). So any number divided by 1 is the number itself. So this will then become 10 plus 4 root 6 minus square root of 10 minus 4 root 6. So applying a to the power of 2 plus 2ab plus b squared equal to a plus b all squared. So when we apply this on this problem, we then have the square root of 2 plus root 6 all squared minus the square root of 2 minus root 6 all squared. So when we reduce the index of this radical and exponent with 2, this will then become root 2 plus root 6 minus root 6 minus 2. So these two cancel out this and this cancel out this. So from here, so this will be root 2 plus root 6 minus this minus, I'm opening this bracket, minus root 6 plus 2. So this will cancel this, yes. Then we have root 2 plus 2. Okay, from here, this square root cancel out this. So this was out already. So this will give us 2 plus 2 equal to 4.